Right, so now as we can see I've got this image split into two where I've scanned it and I've got both of those images open in the same document. Now as you can see there's quite a big overlap here, which was from the bottom of the lip to the bottom of the nose, which is present in both images. We need this so we've got enough room to add a mask and blend the layers successfully. Now, there's lots of ways you can do this. You can do it by reducing the opacity of the top layer and um, lining it up yourself by eye. Or if we click both layers and we come up to auto align layers, click on, keep it on auto, click OK. And now as you can see, if I reduce the opacity on this, they are perfectly lined up. These are slightly off because my original scan was slightly crooked because I've not got the room to do it. So you don't need to do this part, but I'm just going to crop it so we can see what we're doing a bit easier. Image, crop. So now yes, we've got this line here. So the first thing we can do is we can add a mask by clicking this small icon down in the bottom. Go into our brushes and making sure we've got a nice soft round brush selected. Bring the opacity down to about 60% and just start to brush across. Like so. Well, now we've got this now, which is a mask just fading into the one below it. If you find that maybe your colour balance is off for different parts, you can try adding a levels adjustment, go into it and clicking something that you know to be white, which in my case is the pearls on the necklace. And now that, if we just merge it down into one layer, is the image and the... Let's go back a bit. Now as you can see though, I have got some blur in here on this layer. So, since I know I've got the sharper one below it, I can come in again now with my brush tool and making sure I click on the mask to do this. And we're going at 100% now. And just go over that area where it's blurred. If you do start to go over and you start seeing the background below it, you can come in with by changing your colour from black to white and come and brush it back in. And now if we zoom out, we've got all the sharpness that we need, and we've got rid of that joining line which is in between them both. Now you've got this done, you can come in, you could even adjust your blacks if you wanted to, but I'm not going to for this. But yeah, that's roughly how you can mask out an area and get rid of any blurriness and get rid of the line where it's joint, where you can see the visible join between the two.